Guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you guys. And in today's video, I have a very quick one. I'm going to show you how to check your CapCut version that you're currently running on your PC, on your Windows PC, right? Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button? Because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now, let's continue. So if you're currently using a CapCut on your Windows PC and you're not sure what version of CapCut are you running, then check this out. So what you want to do, once you have the CapCut application open, go ahead and click the menu on the upper left hand side. And from here, you will see help. You want to hover over the help option here and then click on about. And from here, you'll get a little window that shows you the CapCut version. And as you can see, it's not very visible, but if you look closely, it will show you that I have a version 4 beta test version. So you can always go ahead and figure out which version of CapCut you're running by simply following these steps, and you'll be able to find out which version of CapCut you're currently running. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.